you ever been in a conversation and suddenly silence falls? Awkward silence.
Oh, yes. And I panic, not knowing what to say. It's so uncomfortable.
Well, today, we're going to show you how to handle awkward silence in English so you sound confident and natural.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Smart English Talk. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. In today's episode, we'll give you real phrases and tips to fill silence, keep conversations flowing, and feel confident.
So, Jack, why does awkward silence happen in conversations?
Sometimes we don't know what to say next, or maybe the topic runs out. But the good news is, silence is normal and easy to handle.
Exactly. It's all about knowing the right phrases and strategies.
Key phrases to handle silence. Let's start with some simple phrases. 1, that's interesting. Tell me more. Encourages the other person to continue. 2, I see. How about you? Turns the conversation back to them naturally. 3, what do you think about? Introduces a new topic politely. 4, I've been wondering. Great for asking a question and keeping the conversation going.
These phrases are simple but powerful. They make you sound confident and interested, even if you feel nervous.
Extra tips. Tip 1, use body language. Smile, nod, or make eye contact to show you're engaged.
Tip 2, ask questions. People love talking about themselves, and it fills silence naturally.
Tip 3, share a small story or opinion. Even 1 to 2 sentences can restart the conversation.
Tip 4, don't panic. Silence is normal, and sometimes a small pause is okay before continuing.
Real-life examples. Imagine a conversation at a cafe. You both run out of things to say. You could say, that's interesting, tell me more.
Or if the silence is long at work, I've been wondering, how do you usually manage this task?
See, simple, polite, and keeps the conversation flowing.
If there's awkward silence, what's the best thing to do? 1, stare silently. 2, say, that's interesting, tell me more. 3, change the topic suddenly.
The answer is 2. Always try to continue politely and naturally.
So, to handle awkward silence, remember these phrases. That's interesting. Tell me more. I see. How about you? What do you think about? I've been wondering.
And always use body language. Ask questions, share short stories, and don't panic.
If this episode helped you, hit like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more easy English conversation tips.
Try these phrases in your next conversation and never feel awkward during silence again.
Until next episode, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep smiling. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone.